What's up, guys? So today I'm going to replace the headers, exhaust headers. I'm going to put a aftermarket exhaust for the head. So here it is. It's the cheapest one in the market. I don't want to put expensive. No need to put exhaust expensive, I think. I'm not sure, but we'll see what's the different, the cheaper one and the expensive one. First I'll put this one, and then I'll see what's the different. I think the quality is different. Otherwise, there's any difference. So today I'm going to put that one. Then I'm going to test this. What kind of sound different? I hope there's a big difference. And then let us get it in. Okay, enjoy the video and like and subscribe. So both sides jacked up. So now she's in the air. If you have lift, it'll be easier. Let's never mind. So I'm taking the cover out. After that, I'll get the exhaust. So there's a clip down here. There's 3 clips and 3 clips on the side, both sides, and the rest. It is 12 millimeter. The bolts. It is 40 millimeter for the exhaust manifold. Alright, so there's 3 bolts over here, and then this side 3. And there's 2. So I'm going to start from here. These 2. And take off. This bolt the shafts harder, so I'm going to hit it by lower. Oh, broke it. maybe exhaust. So first time I was not correct, I just pull it out. But first you need to take this one first out and then push it down. Easier, otherwise it's harder. So the gasket, I'm going to press it. They already gave to me. Easier. Under the car, the first time I saw. Okay, so let's swap it. Or I want to start the engine and then see what kind of sound there will be. So let me try that one. So the check engine lights will be turned on because I'm going to start it. And start it. Let's see what will be super loud. So it is super loud, so I just turn off it before. I don't want annoying my neighbors. So let us put the OEM stuff, I mean the aftermarket, and then it'll be louder still. So I'm getting old, so heavy and massive. And one speeder. Very light. So I'm decreasing the weight too. So I'm taking the oxygen sensor. So for the oxygen sensor, this one doesn't come out, so I'm going to buy a new one. So I need that size out, this one's out, so I put one of it and one of it is closed for now. So now I'm going to put it back. It'll be lighter, that one's heavier. So let me get inside and mount it and finish it. So this was one of the oxygen sensors is missing. The check engine lights be on, but need to be tuned, otherwise check engine lights every time will be on. It's missing or not, it's not the same. So let me get in and then finally I get it in. I think the cheapest one is harder to put it on. Alrighty, all seen. So let me unplug the oxygen sensor and then we'll see the sound different. Where it is. That's kind of okay. Okay, 1 second. So let me start the car and see. And I need to check the leaks. And put it over here before and after. I don't hear any sound different. So, yeah. So let me put everything back and then we'll go test drive and then we'll see. I don't hear that much a difference, so I don't know.
other sound I don't like, check engine light sound, so maybe it need to be tuned. There's different sounds, so need to be fixed or tuned somehow. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.